Saturday, July the 30th, right here in Southwest Houston. Houston is the fourth largest city in the United States and the city with the largest Nigerian population here in the United States. The Rescue Nigeria movement have planned this massive rally to sensitize people in Nigeria, in the diaspora, about the importance of the 2023 general election. The reason why people should get their PVC card, the reason why they should vote, because more than any time in the history of Nigeria, this is the time really that we have the opportunity to determine the trajectory of the next decade or two. Nigeria is in a very bad situation economically, politically, socially. We need vibrant, young, competent, intelligent leaders who are going to guide the country. And so this is an opportunity to sensitize people in Nigeria to prepare for the election.
In your own view, do you think that this mega rally here will translate into victory come 2023?
Well, nobody knows how things are going to turn out, but the enthusiasm in Nigeria and around the world is palpable. I mean, a lot of Nigerians in the diaspora have families, friends in Nigeria that they can influence, they can motivate, they can prod them to go and register, because if you're not registered, you can't vote. So this is part of the sensitization movement, to get people ready so that they can prepare to vote.
Apart from this diaspora rally, what machineries are the organizers are putting in place to make sure that this message gets to...
Well, they are using social media, which is now one of the most important means of communication. And they are using all the platform print, but mostly digital, and reaching out to people around the world and telling them that Nigeria is such a bad situation right now and it needs to be rescued. And we are not asking people, different people, non-Nigerians to come and rescue us. We are asking Nigerians to rescue themselves.
I think this is the first time Nigerians from across the tribe, region are coming together and speaking one voice.
That's true.
What is the reason behind it?
The reason behind it, because just like one of the candidates, P2B, have said, there is nothing in Nigeria, there is no place in Nigeria where everything is working, where there is light 24 hours, where the roads are so good, and it's labeled Muslim or Christian, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, none. So everybody, once you are a Nigerian, you have a stake in this rescue effort. So that's why people are so enthusiastic. The rally is building up, and in the next hour or so, this place will be packed with people.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you very much.
Viewers, we'll be talking with Professor Grace Ulasi, and he has been telling us the reason behind this mega rally in Houston, Texas, the fourth largest city in the United States of America. Please, you can go to my YouTube channel, Present Global Entertainment, and you'll have the full view of what is going to happen today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.